So moving from a PC to a Mac oftentimes can feel like another language for Excel. It can be a bit of a headache, but fear not, most of the core functions are the same. There is some differences I'm going to try and walk through today, but don't worry, like 90% of the math is the same. The keys are a little different, but we're going to try and go through and address some of these for Excel beginners here. The first thing I want to point out is the ribbon in menus. So on a PC, a lot of times you'll use the Alt button to navigate the ribbon. On a Mac, the top menu bar up here is kind of where you have your file, your edit, insert, whatnot functionality. It's separate from the app window. And so just as a pro tip, there is no Alt key ribbon navigation on Mac. You'll have to rely more on your mouse, clicking through different things, or custom shortcuts, where in PC, it's really nice where you can hit Alt and you can use different key combinations to quickly go through where you want to go. Whereas again, with Mac, that functionality is not available. One of the big things I want to point out, and one thing that's going to save you a lot of headache, is understanding one thing, and it's the keyboard swap. So the big rule is you're going to swap Control on the PC for Command. Instead of Control C to copy, you're going to use Command. We'll do an example here. So we want to copy this information. We'll do Command C. And then again, in the instance, you'll just do Command V. That's going to be your paste. So your copy and paste. Instead of Control C, Control V, we're looking at Command C, Command V. Something you're going to want to watch out for, though, is there are shortcuts like Edit Cells, which change entirely from F2 on a PC to Control U on a Mac. So completely different. And there are some of these outliers that you're just going to want to be aware of, and through trial and error finding out what those are, and you can look up a lot of these online. And so another issue that you're going to run into is with functions. So on a Mac, the top row usually controls brightness or volume, all this information up here. You know, you've got your search bar and whatnot up there. To use the F keys, or like the F keys to lock a cell or do an absolute cell reference, what you're going to want to do is use the function. There's an FN key at the bottom left of your keyboard. So instead of doing, like function F4 that's on your keyboard on a PC, if you were to try that here, it's going to give you something completely different. Whereas on a Mac, what we're going to want to do, we're equaling, let's say we're just going to select some random cell here, equals this cell, and we're going to go Command T. And as you can see, it's the absolute cell reference. So that's what you need to know. Again, we don't have the function bar at the top of our menu in the Mac, but we can do an absolute cell reference there. Another thing that I want to highlight is that most Mac keyboards don't have a home and page up, page down buttons on the keyboard. So there's a couple things that you can use instead. So if you want to go to the start of the sheet, so like the A1 cell, what you can do is you hit that function button, Control, which is right next to it, and left arrow. And that's going to take you right up to that first cell, or the start of the sheet. If you want to go to the end, it's something very similar, function Control right button, and it's going to take you to that very last data point in the function. And if you want to just do a page up, page down, again, same thing. You're going to do function Control up arrow is going to take you page up, page down, which is just essentially just going to be toggling through the different worksheets in your workbook. And then the last thing I want to highlight, with a PC, you're going to have the right clicking, right? Like you have the 2-button system on a mouse or the trackpad. So right click is often, for PC, you would right click, but for Mac, let's say you want to delete a row, you can't just right click and have that option come up. What you're going to want to do, and this is going to be one of the crucial points here, is you're going to want to just do a 2-finger tap. So both of your fingers together, tap down on that trackpad, and it's going to pull up the option to cut, copy, paste special, insert. So if you want to insert a row, or let's say delete a row, if you're looking for that information, you can just go and delete. And that's going to save you a lot of time and headache, just understanding that one important swap between the two. Something else you can do, you can also just hold Control and then click, and that's going to do the same thing. So that function's essentially the same thing. So you can go in and hold Control, click, insert rows, delete rows, adjust your row height, So this will make life a lot easier, understanding that swap and understanding that. So I'll leave it here for now. There's definitely a lot more tips and tricks that we can go over, but hopefully these are some of the good ones to start us off, understanding the differences between a PC and a Mac. And as I said earlier, it can be such a headache to make the change and abandon all of that PC knowledge on Excel. But if you have to go that route, this is definitely a lot of similarities and can be easily picked up. So again, let me know what questions or comments you have in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks. Have a great day.